we'll be looking at just gold and nothing else. Just gold and nothing else. So before we look at gold, let's look at the XY. So on the XY, what I'm seeing on the XY is sell continuation. Last week we expected that sell, which gave us both a bought and also sold. So on the daily, you can see market really closed with a bearish candle. Although market closed with a bearish candle, it respected a daily fair value gap here. Actually not changing my chart because we are still using the same order flow and structures, and I don't want to change anything. You can see the fair value gap here. Market respected the fair value gap and wants to really drop from there, you see. And let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, what we can see there is the same daily fair value gap within that zone, but here in the 4-hour chart we can see the real fair value gap here, and the 4-hour fair value gap too is here, and market has actually respected it. So what we want to see from here is either market breaking through this to the upside, you see, going up to the upside, or market respecting it and moving up downwards. And we can expect market to break down this daily fair value gap we have always been using as our point of interest. Then it's also serving as a great support zone, and we want it to either break downwards and continue to the downside. So now let me remove my so long arrow where I want the market to really buy, and say now market is indecisive, but we can see on the XY market is going to move downwards. So now let's come to our gold chart. So on gold, this is what I'm expecting: buys from these two zones. But before market comes to buy from these two zones, I'm expecting sells from Monday to Tuesday thereabout, and then we look for some buys during Wednesday and Thursday, let's say Friday too. So on 4-hour chart, this is what we see, and when we come down to the 1-hour chart, that's where we see the sell move. So on the sell move, we can see there was this sweep of the all-time high. Market closed inside. Are you getting it? And some people trade candlestick patterns will say this is a morning star formation. This took bullish, a bearish, a bullish candle that actually closed with this, and a bearish candle. Let's say this is a bearish engulfing candle, and creating a huge fair value gap. Now market is respecting it. So when market opens, I'm expecting something like market moving into this and dropping. It can be the market will not give chances for you to even enter the sales. So we expect market to break below this low, pull back, drop to this fair value gap. You can see this fair value gap here, which aligns with a breaker block, where it's actually a good point of interest for people to buy from. And also, if it is respected, we have another good zone for market to respect, which is this 4-hour fair value gap, which also aligns with the breaker block. But if market disrespect these two zones, there is another zone market can respect, this zone. But now this is the closest point of interest where market can respect. If market disrespect these three areas, that's when we wait for a pullback to enter. But until then, we are not entering any good sales until confirmation is done. You can't just be hopping on the market. Gold is actually affected by fundamental news, or the market is basically all about fundamental news. You just use your technical for entries and exits. Don't depend on just your technical analysis. Anything can happen on the market. So this week, this is what we are looking at gold, and this is what we are expecting from gold to be buying from another. Thank you.